What's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dinesh and this is Cranks and Pistons. And today we're going to find out how loud is my straight piped E46. And we have a bit of a donut class, or we do a little bit of burnouts. We found a new spot. We're going to go check it out now. So stay tuned you guys. And here's the E46. Let's get it started and let's get on with the video. Check this road out, it's madness. It's like the Tokyo Drift road. On the way back, we're gonna do a nice sick climb. We're gonna go slowly so that you don't pay too much attention. On the way up, it's double lane, so we can go a little bit mad. And we have speed traps on the way, so gotta be a little bit careful. But I know where they are. It's etched into my brain, so I don't think that'll be an issue. Alright, let's give the comfort mode a shot. We're approaching the road now. I'm hoping the road's gonna be empty, but fingers crossed. Looks like it is. Alright, let's go. This is comfort mode, you guys. Disclose what speed that we went in, because we don't want the popos looking at this and sending me a ticket. So it was pretty fast. It was triple digits and a little bit higher than that probably. So now let's head back the mountain and let's go find the burnout spot and check out how it is and give it a shot. Hopefully I get to do a donut. I don't know how to do it yet. I'm going to learn today and let's see how that turns out. I have my friend here helping me out shoot the process. Was fun. That was really good, but really short though. We've done one before in a place called Shan. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll leave a link in description and I'll leave it on top so you guys can check it out. But right now we're headed out to the burnout spot. We're gonna go check out how it is. And also, I want to do a correction from my previous video. When I shot the introduction of the E46, I messed up on the details a little bit. My research was a little bit bad, and so I want to correct that. So this car is a 2.5 liter V6. No, it's a 2.5 liter inline 6. That's the right one. It's the right engine. It's an inline 6, and by the book it pushes out around 189 horses, but probably it's got a loss to fuel right now due to age, and probably pushing it around 170. So this is the basic correction that I wanted to do. I did a mistake, and in the flow I called it a V6 engine. It's my mistake. I apologize, and next time I'm going to do a bit more research before I do my video, you guys. And also I found out that the BBS wheels that are there on this E46 are not genuine, and I don't know how you would make fake wheels, because it looks pretty real to me the way it's designed, and it's a pretty common design on BBS wheels. You see it on most BMWs anywhere that you go, whichever country that you go to, and it's very famous for E46s. But yeah, I need to go get it checked. I need to go to the dealer or maybe BBS dealer and check it out. But I'm going to check it out and let you guys know what is the difference between a fake and a real one. This is, I think it's supposed to be a 2-piece wheel. I'm not really sure. So I'm going to find out a little bit more, and I'm going to share it in the next video, you guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do smash the subscribe button. And if you like today's video and want to know more about the E46, I'm planning a little bit more things. We're going to start modding the car. It's all going to be DIY as much as possible. So smash the like button so that I know I have your support and I can do more content. We're arriving at the spot. Got some coffee. So I am hoping that this place is still open. We found it last week, but I am not sure. So let's check it out. This is the way, right, bro?
Yep.
Right.
Should be on our left.
Left. That's all the construction sites. Okay. Should be pretty good. Down, up?
Here, right here.
Oh! Shit. They closed it up. Is there any banners anywhere that we can't move this and go in?
No.
Oh, there's one there. Alright. Some other spot then. Not today, guys. Let's drive around, try to find another spot where we can do a few burnouts. Probably not donuts, but anyways, I'm not such a precision driver yet, so I don't know if I'll be able to do the donuts so easily. I still have to learn. I need to practice, so I do need quite a bit of space. And if we don't find any spot today, I have another idea that in mind that we can go to. There is a drift ground that's up in the mountains here in Hong Kong. Probably give that place a shot so that you can learn a little bit more. You can water down the pavement, you can go concrete, and then it's more easier to do burnouts there. A lot of people actually go there, and we also shot a video there previously. We went there for a drift competition, so a drift training and a competition kind of event. It was pretty fun. I'll leave the link up on the screen. You guys can check it out. So now let's try to find the next spot. So we found a spot. It's not really a donut spot, but I think we can pretty much do burnouts right here. And let's give it a shot. As I was saying, yes, inline 6 on the Beamer and these BBS wheels. I don't know how they're not authentic or fake, but I would love to learn. So if any of you guys know, please let me know down in the comments. So I'd love to learn how you find out that if it is authentic or not. It seems pretty authentic to me, but I could be wrong. So anyways, let's get on to the burnout part of today's vlog. Aircon off. So what I'm basically going to do is, this is an automatic car, so I'm going to hit the brakes and the accelerator at the same time to get some burnout. So let's see if it works. The DSC is off. We are on sport, manual, first gear. It's a snail. Slug. Alright, let's give it a shot. It's a bit weird to hold the brake and the accelerator at the same time with 2 feet. Lowering the brakes. Manual. This road is not working. Tried like 10 times, not gonna work. So let's find another spot and let's give it a shot there. Final try, guys. Let's see if it doesn't work. We are going home. I'm gonna try this another day. Dad, it's too hot. Tired. Okay, let's give it a shot then. Okay. How about some rev ups? Okay.
That didn't look good.
Oh shit.
Oh fuck, I think the brakes have overheated.
Woo! Alright, I guess this is gonna be on another day. Thanks for tuning in today, you guys. We made something happen, but do stay tuned. We might do it again and get it much better. We're gonna find a new spot. This is not really the perfect spot for us to try our burnouts and donuts. So do stay tuned. If you guys like today's video, smash the like button and let me know down in the comments if I did anything wrong or if I did something right. Alright, you can also follow us on Instagram at cranksndpistons for daily car spotting uploads, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. So until the next time, peace.